That you could do this the easy way or the hard way.
Tell her you talk to chicken or you go talk to chicken.
I'm trying to comfort her.
Yeah, just a talk to chicken.
She's I didn't plan this out, dear. Listen. Funny how the moments you end up remembering are usually the simple ones. No big event, just sitting here, eating sushi, watching a little guy figure out chopsticks. Again. A couple of years ago, I probably would have rushed through something like this, thinking about the next thing on the list. But retirement, and life out here, has a way of slowing things down. You start noticing the small stuff, a quiet meal, a laugh from the grandson, the kind of ordinary moment that doesn't seem like much. But when you stop and really look at it, you realize this is the moment. Can I do what? Fold it. Dave, I showed you how to fold it yesterday. Make an effort. Let me see what you got. Yo. What does it say?
So they said we are now in Mathematics Month 2026 and the regional mathematics team is excited to see and celebrate the highlights of the engaging activities taking place across our schools.
All right.
On Friday, March 13, 2026, we will be observing National Math Art and Tie Day.
Yay!
Yay, Junior!
National.
Students are invited to design and wear creative mathematical art and ties that showcase concepts, symbols,
with mathematics things.
All right, mathematics, hats, and tie.
Yes.
That sounds like a homework assignment to me.
That's why
bad project.
Somebody asked me if they asked mommy to even can make one for them for mommy to sit all the time.
Okay. Junior, math, hats, and ties.
Math, hats, and ties.
Sweet. But before we get there, Junior.
Are they supposed to put on like mathematics think funny, like maths,
Like equations, like
divisions.
yeah, whatever associates them with math. They're celebrating math for the day, dear.
With multiplication, division.
Yes, that's
Okay. Subtraction.
whatever math tickles their fancy.
Okay.
Speaking about tickling fancies, dear, we're doing the care packages with or without you.
No, no.
Ah, here I come. All right. Oh yes, sushi was not the only thing waiting for us in Kingston. Many thanks to one of our continued subscriber supporters that shows up, metaphorically speaking, in the form of. I always like care packages, and I don't judge based on the bags that they come in, but I'm always amused. Is that bad when I was like, save the paper?
Save the bags.
Save the bags. It's like Mom's Christmas all over again.
I know, all right.
Here we go.
Red,
Hey,
but
hey.
smell you.
I'm putting the coffee down for this.
That's not coffee.
That's
Oh, I saw coffee.
I know, this is enough dish soap
Oh,
to
yeah.
last for a
Forever.
lifetime. Wow.
You know what,
Smell
Junior?
bags here.
We have more toothpaste.
Oh,
Colgate
Stinking
total.
oh.
Olive oil just for Tyler.
Wow. Extra virgin olive oil. Cold pressed Cola Vita. Olive oil, it's an amazing oil. We should be using all the time, but it's very expensive.
Yeah.
So
Cornmeal.
okay. Never heard of that brand.
Which one?
Hereford. Hereford?
Hereford.
Made in Brazil. Wow.
This is not sponsored.
Product of Denmark. Mario's. Oh my god, it's Mario's. Cooked ham. I've never
So Mario, I love you because
Oh my gosh. We should have ham tonight.
Yeah.
Saving the bag, bro.
Tell you, them have to go to school, remember?
Mm-hmm.
Soap and
Oh man, no
Soap
teeth
and
required. Ooh, where's Mars? Dave, can you go wake up Mars?
Come on.
That'd be great. Oh, wait. I need rainbows too. We're gonna be okay. Funny coffee story coming later. Oh no. Sonia and Tyler.
Oh no.
I'll let you.
Oh no.
Dave! Hi.
Ooh, this smells
Dave,
good.
chill right there for a second.
This smells good.
Craigie! How does she know? Honey, what's in the bag? Oh, we got lotion. Hey. Maple syrup is back and needs to be refrigerated after it's open. Lesson learned. Want to help Craig open that? Hi, I know, but I need you to open it. I might be a clear bag, but I don't know what's inside. Back up.
Look, you ever buy the plants?
Okay. Ooh, Oshkosh Bagosh? And they're skinny? Man.
Oh,
And look, I don't see any holes in the pants.
Good, yeah. No holes, don't put no holes in them. Smooth and
Creamy
creamy.
peanut butter.
Look at the cargo pants.
Crunchy. Gotta save the best for last. We're having basmati rice tonight, boys. Here, you got it? You got it? You got it? You don't got it, okay.
Okay, now finish.
Wow. Okay. Guess who's frying some more plantains in the near future? Or plantain. Wow. And Sonia's favorite. Purex 4-in-1. Oh, you got it? You got it? You got it? You got it? You don't got it? Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for everything.
I'm looking forward to it. We're doing ham tonight. Doing ham tonight.
No, we are doing clothes tonight.
We'll figure it out. Awesome.
Good morning, YouTuber. So thank you for the package that you gave me. I really like this fonts that you. As you can see, it is a joggers, and I really like those fonts. So thank you. Also got these jeans and a do roller. So thank you for your pocket, and I really appreciate it. I want to say thank you for the clothes and thank you for the food. Right, send for us, and I want to say a big thanks. Yeah.
You're helping? You're helping? Ah, see, you guys don't know what it's like having to take tape off. Well, I'm glad you know it's a lotion, but you're never going to get to use it if you don't take the tape off. Still going.
Don't not tear off for one time, I know, Marcy.
I know, right?
Tear off for years.
Man, I gotta teach you guys early how to get stuff from foreign. And how to pack in a suitcase. Tape your lids, man. Nice. Let me see. What? Okay, let me see.
It's free.
Where's the tape? Where's the tape? Okay, all right. Honey, you can share if you want to.
You don't use lotion.
I'm not talking about me, dear.
Them?
No, I'm not talking about them either.
With Mars?
Sure, why not?
Oh, yeah, we're sure with Mars.
Morris, we'll go to school. Anyway, while he freshens up, yeah, yesterday was fun. We had a grand adventure. We went out, had a nice little sushi date with a +1. Before that, we had the opportunity to handle Moody Broody. So handle Moody Broody we did. And when I say we, I mean me. And when I say me, I mean Sonia helped a little. Today's attempt is to pick up our Moody Broody, our Moody Brooder. She's excited, can't you tell? Honey, you're going the wrong way. Okay. Yeah, stay tuned, here we go. Gloves. Craig's underpants, still on the line. All right, dude, no matter what happens.
No, me not been out to all right, you know.
Got this. Honey, you don't understand. This has to be done. Of course.
You don't need no egg.
I don't. Wow. Just because you don't like eggs, dear. Hello. Oh yeah. You see, I know you want to go lay an egg right now, and you can't because Moody Broody here. Listen. I don't like your tone. Because you could do this the easy way or the hard way.
Tell her you talk to chicken or you go talk to chicken.
I'm trying to comfort her.
You're just a talking chicken.
She's I didn't plan this out, dear. Listen. Honey?
Just pass the chicken off the egg. Lick him off of the egg. Get some water and throw upon him. Come on. Hold this. Hold this.
No, honey, what? No, we're supposed to just pick him up gently.
No,
hold this. I got
this.
this. Hey, listen, Broody.
Pick you.
Hi.
I cover this one. Let me see. I take up fall and can't take up his fall.
Moody, this hurts me more than it hurts you. We gotta go. We gotta go. Don't do it. Don't.
So all these other come for you there. See lizard right in front of you and come. See lizard there?
Oh. Emma, where were you when I need you? Okay, listen. Listen. No. No. We gotta go. You got other chickens that need to lay. I got gloves. I have gloves. I have gloves. She's not gonna hurt me. She's not gonna hurt me. She's not gonna hurt me. Up. Hey. Oh, that didn't even hurt. What? That was it? That was it? You don't even have teeth. Come on. Up. 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 Listen, Moody Broody. You're storing all these eggs. Not okay. I'll roll you over if I have to. Thank you. Look at all those eggs. Yeah. And a ping pong ball. You put a ping pong ball in there. Come here. I know. I can't reach you. I'm good. Alright, you're okay. You're okay. I'm doing this the wrong way. I should put you this way. Oi. Okay. Yes, thank you. I know, I told you. She's the size of her mother. Alright. She even put the ping pong ball underneath. Alright, Moody Broody. Yeah. Thank you. They're nice and warm.
How much egg?
Yeah, they're mad at her. They're saying just 3. Okay, okay, we did it. So same time tomorrow.
Hey.
Good? Wanna go to school now?
No, not yet. A foot.
Oh boy, okay. And do it. You got it? Okay. I can't, you're too close, too close. Is it nice? Pretty? Who's that for?
Okay.
Oh. Who's the flower? Who's the flower for, bro? Oh. Okay. Alright, do your best. Get your sign, get your sign, get your sign. Where's your sign, bro? I'm not gonna sign, I'm going. So, murder mystery solving today. Yeah, here's the interesting... Let me lay out the situation. Got 3 bags of these, like a week ago, maybe 2 weeks. I don't know. Either way. And now this says that there's another package that has coffee in it that we need to go pick up today. And I've triple checked my Amazon, and it's from Amazon. I ordered 3 of these, so we're gonna find out later today whether Amazon accidentally sent me 2 packages of the same thing, or if there's a mystery coffee being sent. I mean, hey, when life gives you coffee. So we've officially reached the 4-week mark. 4 week in a day, and maybe 2 days, a day. Either way, switch the chicken feed over for our 4-week-olds to the finisher, the actual chicken pellets rather than the crumble. In 2 weeks, 2 weeks, or Dave's coming to the Dave's invited for sure. He's the number one guest, but unlike plants, I think we might actually be getting the hang of this. In fact, so much so, we are going to be searching for a very large pot because we have a few chickens to, transfer from here to the freezer. Cool. Morning. Man, you guys are growing too, huh? Okay, I'll get you some more water in a bit. Everybody still doing well? And then there's you guys. Hey! Look at you, full-feathered friends. Man, not gonna lie, you guys. Well, some of you still haven't gotten your feathers yet, but the ones that have, hey, look at you. All right. Well, let's stock up on some water and some food and, oh, really? This is supposed to be a watering can. Miss Layer, showing him you can, you're the only one that can fit on there. Oh boy. All right, yeah, chickens. Yeah, so I haven't exactly mastered the whole navigating inside the pen just to hang up the water and everything, but it's functioning, it's working, and I don't know if I don't know any better. I'd say they're actually looking pretty decent. And the only thing I'm worried about looking decent is a little Moody Broody over here. Hey, is Moody in here? I hear her already. You ready? I'll go for my gloves. I'm going for my gloves. Hey, talking to you. Okay, we'll be back with gloves. Okay, go tell Moody it's time to go. Your turn. Yeah? Yeah, she's right in there. I know. I'm coming back with gloves. Right? Tell him. All right, get him. I'm gonna go for Moody. Good morning, Father. Move, Nana says. Move. Cool. Right. Excuse. No, don't do it. Don't peck me. Excuse. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Have a nice day. She put the ping pong ball back in there. But that's not even her egg. That's not even your egg. I know that's not your egg. Thank you. All right, you know you got a whole lot going on in your life when you're like, wait, I got 3 bags of this already. 3 bags. This is the 3rd one. Still has some in it. However, yeah, Marcor says, I got coffee beans ready to pick up for 1,700 Jamaican dollars. Yeah, but if we scroll and look at the food item that I picked up a while back, true story, this is the tracking number. Yep, sharing it. There it is. I mean, it's already been delivered, but you get the idea. And I don't understand, because that was the coffee. But here's where it gets interesting. When I go to my past orders, yeah, I got ink coming. Chickens delivered. Oh, look. There it is. There it is again. The one thing I ordered. But if you look at the tracking number, it's different. It's the one that is at the Marcor right now. See? That one there. That was an old one. This is the one that's here right now. And that's the same tracking number. So, I think they sent me 2 packages, but there's 2 different tracking numbers. We'll find out today. I only ordered 1. I've checked my Amazon list more than twice. And not sure who's naughty or nice yet, but apparently somebody's been nice if they get extra coffee. All right, Sonia's proudly wearing the Sonia cam, Sonia POV. It was a interesting adventure getting it to sit just right, but that's the goal. We are going to go find a big pot and go on our Marcor adventure. And you're gonna get the perspective from Sonia's vantage point. I've always wondered what that looked like, so you're welcome. It's stuck. Anyway, yeah, so distributed by Amazon Services. Right? I don't get it. I'm genuinely confused. Look. 1. Wait. 2. Wait. 3. Organic, trace, yeah, 3 more. I know. I only ordered 3.
Amazon Fresh. Next time I get my first Marcor, my first thing from Timu. We get this.
I ordered 3.
I said time we get this on Timu.
And I got 6.
I
guess I'm not gonna complain.
Yeah. It's what it is. At least you have a lot of coffee to use. You don't have to go buy. No, we may not buy. No, we don't drink coffee. I'm sorry.
I'll share.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna put you back. I think that one should be big enough, right?
This one?
Yeah.
How much are we are picking chicken them to?
These 2 of us.
About 3.
Cool.
And thank you again here.
That'll work.
Yeah. Aye.
That's it? That's all you need?
No.
Alright, next time.
I don't need a call me to buy one next time.
Already,
Yeah. Alright, here. You go for your pot?
Yep, that was the pot trip based on Sonia's perspective. You did great there.
Yep, I hope so.
Me too. Well, I think we finally reached the age, dear. Finally reached the age. Midday afternoon naps. See Exhibit A. Appreciation for the baby wipes. $3 for this. $3. Let me tell you, the amount of times I've been caught in the car going, how are we going to get that off his hands or face? The whole time. Like, we probably should put another one in the car.
Yep, good. I want to do. Yeah.
Moderation, dear. Speaking of moderation and baby wipes, it's time to go get round 2. You ready?
Sure, why not?
Bye. Yep, that's it. We are back. But meanwhile, I forgot to tell you guys, on our way to go get the magic new pot, which is holding water from what I see, which is good. We got pulled aside by the St. Mary police. Not for cake this time, but they are having, check it out. Whoa. A St. Mary police cookout and after party. Food will be served 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Special performances by Sizzle, Josie Wales, Tanya Stevens is gonna be there, and other artists. Oh, she didn't even know that. These streets don't love you like I do. You need for no doubt. Yeah, I'll be fine. That's the only. I maybe know 2 Tanya Stevens songs. But jerk chicken, stewed pork, curry goat, jerk pork, goat head soup on sale. Music by Magnificent One. March 27th. St. Mary Police Cookout at the Port Maria Police Station in Trinity. So, $2,000. We got ourselves a ticket. We'll figure it out. We might go. Tanya Stevens is going to be there. Wait till she hears about this. What? You carried her?
Yeah, Saturday gonna look cool.
Oh, that's good. Well, let's go, bro. I see you. You can't hide if you already made a bunch of noise. Anyway. Seatbelts, hurry. Nana's getting in. Can you beat her? I don't know. It's going to be close. Guess what? Guess what?
What?
Guess who's going to be at the St. Mary Police Cookout?
Ooh.
Honey.
Huh?
Guess who's going to be at the St. Mary Police Cookout? Tanya Stevens.
Tanya Stevens.
Are you serious? These streets don't love you like I do.
Oh, Tanya Stevens.
You need for no doubt. Really?
Okay.
I was expecting a different reaction.
No. Okay, Tanya Stevens will be there. What time you're going?
I don't know. It's food is served at 11 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay. Oh, says from morning to
From morning to
6 p.m.
and after party rollout.
Okay.
I'm not getting the ramen.
Great.
I'm good. I'm not going.
All right, we're gonna figure it out. Ready to go home?
Yeah.
Where's your seatbelt?
Bug.
Exactly. Exactly. Yes. Hurry up! You're gonna beat Nana. She's still thinking about who Tanya Stevens is.
I'm gonna be what time?
Who's Tanya Stevens? I can't. Wow, honey.
Oh, Tanya.
You don't know who Tanya?
Hmm?
I'm disappointed. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed.
Why?
Because you Tanya Stevens? Really?
Well, even if me even you say
Tanya, if you're watching this,
Baby,
I'm
what
sorry.
time?
So it's only Tanya Stevens.
No, there's others. There's the other ones that I don't know. Sizzle, Josie Wales.
Oh, Josie Whale. I wonder if I read Josie Whale though.
That's what it says. Josie Wales. You know
The
who
real
Josie?
Josie Whale.
It doesn't say the real Josie Wales, but I assume it's the real. Who's Josie Wales? You know Josie Wales?
No, I don't know him, but knowing song.
Well, do you know Sizzle?
Sizzle my little.
Oh boy, we're going home.
Yeah, me only know a song where they sing Sizzle. Yes, I don't know a song where they sing. No, none of them. No, Tanya Steven. No.
We gotta do some YouTube research when we get home. Wow. Anyway, March 27th. Check it out.
I don't know a sing of them.
All right. Okay, we gotta go. Okay. All right. There it is. Water in a pot. Not spilling. Just waiting for chickens. And mosquito larvae. So bye. Cool. Yo, you ready?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
You're gonna go some eggplant.
We're gonna go cut an eggplant, right?
Yeah.
All right, charge.
Yeah.
I got the scissors. Get your hands off of my
No,
scissors.
go on, you
No,
ready?
you're not holding the scissors.
No, go
No,
on,
you're not holding the scissors.
Please.
You're gonna walk carefully?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, then come on here. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. Walking carefully. We gotta go find the eggplant. Wait, I said, really? See?
Oh, sorry.
I get the scissors now. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. All right, Mars. If I was the eggplant, where would I be? Oh, you find it. Look how big that thing got. Whoa. Are you ready?
Yeah. Slowly.
Oh, I'm holding the camera. Hold on. Got this. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Go.
1, 2, go. It's.
Yeah.
Whoa. Let's see it.
What's in the potty?
What? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Look at that size of that eggplant, man. Hold it up. Let me see. Whoa, okay, yeah, you held it up. That's a big one. I don't think that's anymore. I think that's it. Let's see. Let's see. 2 hands. Careful. It looks heavy. Don't squeeze my eggplant, bro. I know. We gotta take the dog out. Cool. Can I? Here, you get the dog. I'll get the eggplant.
Yeah.
Whew. That's a big one. Cool. Whoa, I'm gonna show her. Careful. 2 hands. It's heavy. Wow. Right?
You want to be on the first one?
I know. Wait. Be gentle.
Feed.
Be very.
All right, back away from the eggplant slowly, sir. Cool. Eggplant. good job.
No, look.
Oh, we went to town yesterday, bro.
I'm we got
Mars, you're loud, bro.
I
heard you got
got
crumbs.
last night.
Yesterday, during the day.
Yeah, my son got on last night.
Yeah, and he thinks yesterday is tomorrow, man. It's okay. What you got there? Does that look like what I think it is?
No.
Is that what I think it is? It's a Oreos? Oh. And a book? What happened? You mashed up the cover?
I'm on the book here.
That's alright. He's dropping it like it's a math book.
My book here to remember school.
Oh, and your iPad tear too, huh?
My bad boss.
Uh-huh. Andre. Good evening, Andre.
Easy.
Oh, what are you doing? School was good? That's good. Sharing. Oh, you've been making Oreo crumbles? Oh, I could have put those in my vanilla pudding. It would have been amazing. You're too late, man.
Me?
Dang.
Can I go one?
If you want to. I think there might be one there.
By the way, I can't remember.
Oh, yes, no Oreos for you, bro. You already got plenty of dirt and mess going on.
Yeah, bro. Look there.
Yeah, I know. He did it.
Yeah, did him do.
You tell him to clean it up, man.
Clean it up. Clean it up.
Okay, okay.
I said to clean it up.
Nice job.
Andre.
I want you, Mars.
Okay, okay. Don't move. You know that might be poisonous, bro. Andre.
Yes, we already.
Yeah, but I didn't try them together. It could be a poisonous mixture. What do you think? Oreo and vanilla pudding? Okay. No brownie, you're not getting none. Don't let him fool you. He already had 2 foods today. Is it that good?
Bernie, I get Oreo already.
Yeah.
There's so much Oreo in this kid.
He's got plenty for later. How's it with the pudding?
Oh.
Hmm?
Cool.
Come on, Swan, you can do it. 1, 2, 3. Up. Oh boy. You're doing great there. Come on. Oi! Okay. Let's go again, alright? Recoup. Ready. 1. Quena, she might need help. 2, 3. Come on, dear. Oi! Alright. Knew you could do it. You good? Hi, Junior. Huh? Okay. No running today? At 6:30, Andre. After your homework's done. Get your homework done. You can play early. Oh, I love deals. Junior? I don't know. what happens when someone accidentally breaks the little tab that you roll around to get around the side of the ham. We're not mentioning any names or pointing any fingers, but someone broke the tab and someone's got it. You got it? Okay. I'll take that as a yes.
Okay, YouTubers. So I'm making a art for Mother's Day. So you will see when I done with the art. Okay.
What was that here? If the phone rings, what?
Answer, please.
Answer it. Hold on. Let me be your voicemail. Sorry, Sonia can't come to the phone right now. She's talking to Jesus. Leave a message after the beep. Beep. All right, dear. Have a good time. We'll see you in a bit. Enjoy the study. Put in a good word for me, okay? Yeah. Did you make sure he gets my message? You too, dear. Just gonna go. Yeah. Okay, bye.
Today I will talk about my school day. I wake up in the morning and press my uniform, clean my shoes, then I go to school. Then I have house devotion. Then we sing, and then teacher then asks who we want to run this race, and I want to run 100 meter and 200 meter. Then I go to math class and learn about fraction, and yeah, and I go to PE class. We run and we throw shot put. So yeah. Good night, YouTubers. So today I went to school and I went to IA class. We draw because we're going to do a project, a group work, and building a shelf. And then I went to music class. We write down on some notes what are music and do and so. And I eat bun and cheese for my lunch and a splash and a water. And after I went to maths class and we did some work on the board and I got mine correct. And then in English language we learn about mountain story and we did an activity on that. So that was my day. Stay tuned and good night, YouTuber.
Nope, that's it. Chickens are they ate a bunch. I'm not gonna lie, they ate a bunch. That thing was like half full earlier today because I filled it, and now it's gone again. But yeah, they said that food consumption goes up over the last 2 weeks for sure, and some feel that to put food out 12 hours and then take it away for 12 hours. Some say just give them food. So we'll see. We'll keep the monitoring going. But all in all, It was a day. It was a good one. Everybody got through with all the things they needed to do, and we're excited to see another one. So thank you guys for tuning in. See you soon. All right, good night, good night, good night. Bye. Later. That's all about. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, tell the YouTubers good night.
Good night.